Deep in the dense tropical forests of northern Australia and New Guinea lurks a strange creature unlike any other bird, the cassowary. This giant bird is distinguished by its glossy black feathers, its solid helmet on its head, and the bright colors around its neck. Despite its stunning appearance, the cassowary is one of the most dangerous birds on Earth. It has long, sharp talons on its feet and can deliver powerful, swift blows that can be fatal. However, the cassowary is naturally shy, attacking only to defend itself or its young. This bird plays an important role in forests, contributing to the dispersal of seeds from large plants through its droppings, helping to preserve biodiversity. The cassowary is a living reminder that beauty can conceal significant power.